Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your size on Pandabuy. First of all, go into Pandabuy and then of course also log into our Pandabuy account, because then as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, and the next step is going to be for us to find the product that we actually want to see our size. So basically I'm going to search for t-shirt, just an example, right? So as you can see, I get a couple of options in here, which is great. So now what you have to do is select the t-shirt that you want to be able to purchase, or whatever kind of other products you want to be able to get basically, and then just click on it, and I am now taken to this page right here. So let's say that I would actually like to purchase this t-shirt, and of course you need to also like filter for the color. So I'm just going to take this one, just an example. Let's say that I now want to buy this right here, and I want to be able to actually know my size. Basically what you are going to do is to locate this section right here where it says size, and basically as you can see, you will be able to see exactly what kind of sizes they have. So as right here seems to be out for this particular t-shirt, ML and XL is available. And what you can also do is click on size helper right here, and what you are going to do now, I'm just going to, as you can see, I should now be taken here. So now I can actually write my height in here, my weight, and you can also fill out this one right here, because what will happen then is that you will actually be able to have your size like helped in here. Basically by filling out all of these details, you can fill out all of this correctly, then hopefully you will be able to actually get estimate perfect size for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.